2021 is the year of the Ox, beginning February 12, 2021, until January 31, 2022. Ox is born during the Cancer cycle, June 21 to July 22, is represented by the primal zodiac black bear. Black bears are self-controlled and disciplined, but can be imperiously dangerous if betrayed. Just like the name indicates, black bears are powerful, but have little desire for confrontation. They are good-natured, charitable, and hard workers. However, if they feel instability in their own lives, black bears think they cannot help others until they become stable. They feel the need to control every situation that involves them, but not necessarily in control of others. Black bears will hide their emotions, but they have strong feelings about others and many things. Some famous black bears include Michael Phelps, born June 30, 1985, Princess Diana, born July 1, 1961, Carson Daly, born June 22, 1973, and Toby Keith, born July 8, 1961. The most compatible primal animals for black bears are the squirrel, owl, mouse, corgi, beaver, and anaconda, all at a 93% compatibility rating. The least compatible primal animals are the Tasmanian devil, rhinoceros, and panther at a 64% compatibility rating. Just because the rating is low doesn't mean you can't get along. It just means that communications between the two primal animals will be more difficult and require effort and hard work to make the relationship strong. Black bears are hard workers and get a great deal of satisfaction from working with their hands. Some compatible careers for the black bear include construction, farmer, gardener, landscaper, and chef. They feel good about helping and working with others. Giving is a large part of the black bear's personality, and they are committed to it. Some black bears have more of a connection with the earth. Archaeology is an excellent career for an intellectual person who needs space and independence. If you want to know more about the tropical sun sign of Cancer, click the icon in the upper right corner of this video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Be sure to click the bell icon to receive notifications when a new video is released. Please share it with your friends